Let's take a look at the backward roll and how to perform it. We start from a supported squat. Rise strongly onto the toes by lifting the heels. Round the back. The feet reach far over the head, giving momentum. The hands are placed close to the head with the elbows tucked in. With a strong push from the arms, finish in a supported squat, and then stand up. Hands by the head, elbows narrow. The feet reach toward the floor behind the head. Stand up while keeping the legs together at all times. This is what the backward roll looks like at full speed. Requirements: the ability to perform a forward roll, at least one knee push-up. Easily moving into the plow position. Preparation and drills. Backward bunny hops. Different rocking variations. Into the plow position or the candlestick. Practicing semi-point. And leg lifts in a seated position. At the wall bars, lift bent or straight legs, ideally reaching an object suspended on the bars. On an elevated surface, try to reach the floor with your feet by going into the plow position, hands set as for the roll. Progression: begin on a wedge, sitting. With a slight forward lean, then pull back with your upper body to build momentum into the backward roll. Hands by the head, elbows in, feet reaching strongly behind. The same from a straight seated position. Straight legs drive strongly upward and backward, giving momentum to complete the roll. Next step, lying on the back on an elevated surface. Set the hands in position. Move to a straight seated position and roll backward onto a lower surface. Then try the backward roll on flat ground. Common mistakes. Leg push-off. Keeping the back straight. Stepping with the hands at the end of the roll. Landing on the knees. Separating the legs. Incorrect hand placement. Variations: backward roll in a pike position. Backward roll to straddle stand. Or backward roll to handstand. And that's all about the backward roll.